This is Professor L.B. Gayakwada's English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today the topic lecture number 387 Spoken English Part 1st. Now in the spoken English we will see some structures grammatically because these structures are very much important for speaking and writing English to the learners. Here at first I will tell you that the pattern, that is the SVOC pattern, which is very much important when we talk English or when we write English. At first we will see the SVOC pattern, which is very much important in English. So when we go to discuss the SVOC pattern, then we understand that there is the yes. SVOC means there is the yes. So this yes is subject. So the question comes here, what is the subject? So remember, the subject is the word in the sentence of English. This subject is there the head of the sentence. Again I will tell you that this word, that is the subject, which does the action in the sentence, and that's why it is called the subject. Subject means the main word, that is the head word of the sentence. So that word does the actions in the sentence, and that's why it is called the subject. So we can call it the doer also. Doer, that is the actor, that is the subject. Then second is there we. So we means verb. So what is the verb? Verb means, I will tell you that the verb is the second word in the structure of the sentence of English. So verb is the particular action of the subject. Means the verb tells the action of the subject. It means that the action which is done by the subject is told by the verb. It means the verb tells the subject's action, and that's why it is called the verb. Now we are going to the third word, and that is the O, that is called object. So what is the object? Object is the particular third word in the sequence of the English SVOC structure. So object is called the direct object also and indirect object also. I will tell you here, the subject in the sentence makes the action on the object. It means that the object is there on which the action by the subject is done. For example, we will take later, but at first I will tell you again and again that the object is the particular word on which the subject makes the action. Now, there is the fourth word. So, the fourth word is C, and C means complement. So, what is the complement? Complement, I will tell you that the complement is the particular fourth word in the sequence of the sentence. Complement means the remaining words in the sentence. How we can understand these words? We can understand at first the subject, then we can understand the verb, then we can understand the object. After studying SVO means subject, verb and object, there are the words in the sentence which are remain. Those words are called the complement. So the complement is called the bunch, or I will say the body of the words which remains in the sentence on the fourth number. It means when we know the subject, verb, object, and then living subject, verb and object, the remaining words are called the complement. So here we have seen the total SVOC pattern, means subject, verb, object and complement. Now we will take one example and we will see the subject, verb, object and complement. So the example is, she saw a snake in the jungle. She saw a snake in the jungle. So here she is the subject, saw is the verb, snake is the object and in the jungle is the complement. So here we will see again, this is the subject, means she is the subject because the subject has done here the action of seeing the snake in the jungle. Saw is the particular verb because this verb has told the action of the subject she in the sentence. Then a snake is the particular object because she saw a snake, means she subject has done the action on the word snake, and that's why snake is the object and the remaining words are there in the jungle, and so the remaining words in the jungle are the particular complement, I will say here. So today we have seen in this lecture, in the spoken English part 1, about the SVOC pattern. Again we will see the next things which are essential for spoken English in the next period. So we will stop here. Thank you very much.